This video has the tool and the strategy that I wish that I would have seen when I first got started with affiliate marketing. The tool is called ThriveCart. This tool allows you to build an email list to literally 10x your ability to build a valuable email list by putting high quality targeted leads on your list as an affiliate marketer. Let me explain this by showing you my strategy that I call the Affiliating Accelerator. It is part of what I call my top strategy, which is the 3 foundational phases that you need to build an online business. Even if you're not going to build an online business, but you are looking to make money as an affiliate marketer, this strategy contains the 3 foundational phases that you need to understand to go from zero to profit. Traffic. Of course, traffic is the fundamentally most important as well as the most valuable foundational phase in this strategy. But let's skip ahead and look at step number 5 under the foundational phase of offer, talking about 10xing your bonuses, the money that you can make from your bonuses, but also the perceived and real value that you can give an audience utilizing high quality bonuses to build an email list in step number 7. Now this all happens when you get to step number 5, when you start to promote and scale, but all this happens really quickly. And I want to jump ahead to step number 5, or I want to jump ahead in the Affiliating Accelerator and take a look at what happens when you reach step number 9 and you go back to 10xing your bonuses. Of course, you'll need an additional tool to build an email list or to put the people that are interested in your offer that come from your traffic onto an email list. I use GetResponse. You can start for free to utilize this strategy. Back to the tool. The tool is ThriveCart. You will be building products that become bonuses, products that you can then assign a coupon code to when you give your product a real value. And that real value is the key to establishing the perceived value that you offer to your list as a bonus. Let me give you a real example. Discover the simple and timeless method that generated $3 million in sales. This is a free report that I give away. And if you click this Get Free Report Now button here in the middle of the screen, actually you can test this out and you can see this in action for yourself. There's a link in the description to get this free report. It then takes you over to this sales page. This sales page, again, that gives away a product in this case, or you can set it up to let people choose their own price, as well as add an additional offer here that you can sell for another price or set a real value to an upsell, and then you can make money while you also generate leads. You can see that this was powered, or this is powered by ThriveCart here at the bottom. And you can see here that people enter their contact information, and that contact information goes onto your email list. When you are building products inside of ThriveCart, what you're doing is you're thinking, what can I do to provide additional value? And you do that by looking at the Affiliating Accelerator and understanding that you'll be generating traffic over to an offer. That offer will be just like the super simple lead magnet that I just showed you, which is a report that I created. It's a PDF that I then turned into a real product that I can now offer as a bonus that will 10x the value of the lead, as well as 10x the value that I give to the people that I add to my list when I add this product as a bonus. Again, go back in here. You simply select to create a new product inside of ThriveCart. You select create a new product, and then you have the ability here to name your product, set the pricing. You saw the bump offer. That was the bump offer, or that was the offer here with this toggle switch that allows me to give away a lead magnet, also give away this as a bonus by saying, yes, you can have this report here that I typically sell for $9. You can have it for free. And to do that, I will give you a coupon code. Again, you go back in here, you set all that up and you fulfill the purchase. You set up the checkout, the cart that you just saw. That is all built right here. That is the sales page. So you don't even need a website. You can use ThriveCart to build the sales page, the landing page, the bonus page, everything. It takes care of all of that for you. Then you have your products right here. And then when you have your products, all you simply do is go in and you set up coupon codes. And then when you have that coupon code, you can easily give that product away as a bonus by giving the URL that you simply get right here that is linked to ThriveCart.com. You give that URL away as a bonus. You set the coupon code to be 100% of the value of the product that you created, or you set it for a specific value, meaning the price of the product. In this case, if you were to go and I was to say, I'm going to give this report away for free, which doubles as a lead magnet, as well as when I add this bump offer, you can see here now it is 0. If I toggle that bump offer, it makes this worth $9. Of course, that value is set by you, and you can make that value whatever you want. But the idea here is to keep it realistic and provide additional value as a bonus when you add people onto your email list by giving that away for free by creating that coupon code. And then they enter that coupon code here on the checkout page, and I'm going to give you an example of that right now. For example, if I have this product right here, Simple Truths Volume 8 PLR plus the Dynamic Duo, which is a real offer that I sell, I can add a coupon code. And when I do that, I can then give out the coupon URL. That loads this sales page again that is all created inside of ThriveCart. And then I simply scroll down, or the people that are going to buy this will simply scroll down. And then when they check out, you can see here that I've added a coupon code, and that coupon code that they put into the field here has given them a $12.32 discount. This could just as easily be a 100% off coupon code. And then that builds my email list by giving away a product of real value, utilizing the ability to create coupon codes, checkout pages, and multiple products here inside of ThriveCart. And by doing that, you 10x the value, as well as you have the ability to earn revenue from the products that you will create as bonuses that then you will then give away that will enhance or add to the value of the offer that you're promoting as an affiliate marketer. If you have any questions and you'd like to see more about ThriveCart, let me know in the comments. Also, link in the description to check out the way ThriveCart works, one of my checkout pages, as well as get that free report. And also grab ThriveCart so you can start using it to 10x your email list and 10x the bonuses and the value that you provide to your audience as an affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.